It's remarkable.
Too good.
Great.
So when I came here, I was little scared about how the facilities and how the coach and everyone will be there in Insti. But then when I came here, it was just amazing.
I never thought like I'll play hockey because first time I started playing hockey in institute only. That time only my seniors they pushed me to play like hockey.
I've had my greatest experiences, memories with teammates, with in inter-IIT, outside inter-IIT, everywhere. 2018 I consider it to be my golden year, as well as for the women's team, women's aquatics team, because not just did I set 2 individual records, we also set 2 relay records.
My best memory is inter-IIT is like it was always if someone will play as a freshie, that is the first inter-IIT. So that inter-IIT will be the always memorable.
It was against Kanpur in my first year, 2016. So I was just a freshie then, and I did not know about all this cheering and anti-cheering and all that. And when I was playing for my match, the Kanpur contingent started anti-cheering at me in Hindi. And I had no clue of what those Hindi words meant because I'm from Tamil Nadu. And then our contingent started coming in and they started cheering for me, and that was a really remarkable feeling. In basketball, when they're going for a free throw, I just shout Bagar, 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 which like basically is Bahar in Hindi, so it's like outside, throw it outside or whatever.
Best was like we used to do it for the like other inter-IIT contingent like ek lambi tar lo, Khadagpur ki maar lo.
Whenever I shouted, at least 75 to 90% of the time, the people who's throwing the free throw throws it outside. So
I think I would stay with my.
I love to join cricket because I have a good communication with the cricket players, and like the coach is too good.
I guess I would play tennis because I just love the atmosphere.
Inter-IIT crush.
I don't know about her name.
Inter-IIT crush.
I don't know about her sports also.
I've had fun.
I just know by face and like she was from inter-IIT, like she was from IIT Guwahati.
So there was this one tennis girl from IIT Delhi in my first and second year who looked really good.
2014 semi-final was there against Delhi, hockey match, IIT Madras versus Delhi, and that was the like first match which I've seen like nail beating match because it went to the penalties, and that too it went to the last penalties, which is like which my captain scored it. Makade was there. And another match was there in 2016 Kanpur Inter-IIT, that women's basketball, and that was like 2 seconds or like some 7 seconds are remaining, and we were like one point down, and then Nithila was there. She just took a shot. She got the ball and she just scored it.
2018 in Guwahati, so we were playing semi-finals. I took both of my matches, and we need one more match to win. So there was this, Aditya from our team, he was like 2-1 up and 10-4 up. And from that point, he had lost. So I felt that if I had taken a timeout when 10-4 became like 10-7, then maybe something might have changed and we would have won that match and progressed on to finals. Because I had won both my matches and we needed one match to win. So losing from 2-1 up and 10-4 up, like 1 match point, and we would have been through to the finals.
It should definitely be not having set a record in 100 free. I missed the record by 0.25 seconds in 1 year and 0.05 seconds in another year.
First of all, whatever sports they'll choose, play with their spirit and they give their 100%.
Give your best in what you do.
Sports in Insti is like a very good experience. So you get to go and practice dedicatedly every single day, and you can like measure your performance against a previous day.
You cannot control the result beyond an extent, and where you can control it is how much effort you and your team give, and how much work towards getting better each day.
Winning and losing is a part of the game.
Don't worry about the results. Have fun during the process.
And I feel that you can build a lot of new friends as well. So make use of this opportunity well, I would say,
Right.
because it's my best experience in NCT.
I'll miss competing.
I miss my practice timings.
I'll miss being a force to be reckoned with in the pool.
It's all those TT practice sessions that I used to have in the evening, and all the people, of course.
And I'll miss winning gold like the no biggie.